Once you replace negative thoughts with positive one, you will start having positive results. Happy Wednesday. How do you feel today? I hope you're feeling well. We are in the middle of the week. Monday, Tuesday has passed. Did you take any action? Did you do anything? If you did, that's awesome. Even if you did a little bit, that's still good. It's better than not doing anything. And again, if you didn't do anything at all, that's okay. Today you got a brand new day. As Willie Nelson said, if we replace the negative thoughts with positive ones, we will start having positive results. And what's that mean? If we take action, if we start on something and say, okay, this is my project, I'm going to work on it, and you do work on it, but you think negative, you say, oh, well, maybe it's not possible for me. Maybe it's not going to happen for me. Maybe I'm not capable of doing it. And that you won't have the positive result on that. But once you change the thoughts in your head, the negative thoughts to the positive ones, then you will see the positive results. You will have the positive results. It's all in here. No matter how hard we work, no matter what we do, if we don't change those negative thoughts, because we judge ourselves, we don't believe in ourselves, we keep thinking negative, and it's all up to us to change that, to change from negative to positive, and we will be able to see the positive results. That's from my experience. I have seen it. I used to do things and I used to say, oh, well, maybe I can't do it. Maybe that person is doing better than me. No, no one is better than me. I believe in myself. Yes, I can do it. Even I remind myself, if that person can do it, I can do it too. It just takes time to practice. It just takes time to be consistent, to be patient about it. And that's another negative thought, because we always expect instant gratification. We think things will happen overnight, and we give up so quick. It's a reminder. We all need a reminder to remind ourselves, hey, it takes time. I have to be consistent. I have to take action daily action. I have to make a commitment and go after what I want, what I deserve in my life. These are the thoughts in our head. We have to change it, and then we will see a positive results. Today is a new day, a new beginning. It's your day, it's your life. Remember, have those positive thoughts and remind yourself that no one will do it for you. You gotta get up, you gotta take action. Be happy and be grateful that you're still here. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Serve yourself and serve others. In any way you can serve others. You know the best way to serve others? You might think, oh, I can't serve myself, how I can serve someone else? Yes, you can serve yourself, that's positive, and you can serve others. How? Just smile at someone, just hold the door for someone. Just tell someone some good word. That's how we can serve others. Enjoy your day, think positive, and take action. Bye for now.